What a premium taste! Nababo Apalit, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to We're in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our We're in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, I am super duper excited to try these taho as well as some soya milk na refreshments. Actually, in all honesty, one of my favorite treats. Buhat pa nung bata ako, I could still appreciate a very hot steaming taho. Although these taho are not, steaming anymore, no? This has been sitting for a while because we took some photos and videos of it for this vlog, but I can still appreciate, they are still warm. So I guess that's good enough, really good enough. Alright, so let's get into the details. I'm gonna introduce to you one by one. Tikman na rin natin at the same time. So first off, like I mentioned, we have section for the taho. We have an original taho plus the flavored ones. And then we also have the soy milk, which are all flavored. So I'm gonna start with the original one. Yung tinitinda ni Manong Magtataho all started with this one. This is the original. And if I'm not mistaken, ang tawag dun sa parang brown sugar natin, this is the Arniba. We're gonna taste it. Oh man, wow, what a premium flavor. What a premium taste. This is really, really premium flavor. I gotta tell you guys, kung taho lover din kayo like me, this is your first stop. You gotta try this one. Wow, I like it. Now, so the next flavor is called the strawberry taho. If you notice at the bottom, it's a crystal clear strawberry flavored syrup, and then on top natin is yung actual taho. By the way, I have to mention, so yung lahat ng mga taho natin, not sure with this matcha, but I think all of the products natin has some sago on top. Anyway, so this is their strawberry taho. Let's taste it. Yeah, so you got your really thick strawberry syrup coming out from the... Oh man, that was so satisfying. Sarap makita nun. Okay, so this is their chocolate taho. This is still warm, ayan, no? Wow! Ang sarap, guys. That's just the word I can express right now. I think, yung wow, super duper premium flavor. Okay, so next is the ube. Check that out, guys. So purple, so eye-appetizing. Okay, let's taste it. Wow. I gotta commend Girl Taho, no? So what you got right here, yung mga flavor natin are really, really satisfying. Personally for me, I really enjoy them. What a refreshing way to enjoy yung native taste ng ube. So far, I have 4 and I'm really having hard time to pick which one is actually parang my best pick, no? Anyway, so let's move on. This is their Matcha Taho. In all honesty, again, not really a matcha person, but once in a while, medyo nakaka-appreciate naman ako ng mga matcha flavored goodies or cakes or refreshments, no? So this one, again, anticipates sa matcha. It's a little bit bitter. It has that parang grassy aftertaste. That's just for me, huh? But all in all, it's actually creamy. Surprisingly, it's creamy. Wow, wow, wow. Lastly, we have very fruity strawberry taho. So the first one is like, if yung physical observation or appearance niya for me is parang medyo syrupy yung ano natin, flavor natin for the first one. Now this one, it has some, I think, a jam strawberry. So you get to taste that really, really fruit in this flavored taho. So this is their very fruity strawberry taho. Let's taste it. Wow, that is really strong, man. For me, comparing it with the first strawberry flavor, I think this is a little bit sour because the original parang pinaka-puree nung strawberry natin. I gotta move on with their soya milk. So let me taste this first para malaman natin kung ano flavor niya. Oh, okay. So this is the cookies and cream because I can actually see some cookie chips here. And then at the bottom, pinaka-bottom natin, parang medyo dark chocolate flavor. Oh wow! Like I always say, if it's a cookies and cream, medyo bias ako dito. Any cookies and cream flavored goodies, parang medyo favorite ko siya. Okay, so next, I wanna taste, so probably this is their chocolate. Okay, let's taste it without stirring first. For the soya, I think it is more focused with the soya milk itself, and then the flavoring is an add-on. Wow, yeah. Now, obviously, this is a matcha, so we're gonna give it a stir. Wow. I guess for the soya, you can have an alternative setup for the soya. You can have it iced para sa akin, because kapag medyo warm siya, it's a drink for the entire day. Wow, okay, taste it again. And lastly, for the soya milk, this is their strawberry. Oh wow! So I think what they used yung strawberry na ginamit nila dito is with the very fruity strawberry, because it has some strawberry particles at the bottom. Anyway, so super duper excited. Although tinikman ko lang siya ng konti-konti, medyo nakakabusog talaga yung taho or yung soya in itself. No, that's why a great refreshment or a treat to start your day. It's gonna give you that, energy to jumpstart whatever you wanna do for the day. Okay, they are open for drive-thru and pick-up every Monday to Saturday between 9 AM to 2 PM. Meron po silang partner delivery courier, si Atad Delivery Services and Pakiboy Delivery. So these are also available from that delivery services. Sabi nga ni Girl Taho and Soya Milk, you don't need to wait for Manong Taho dahil nandito na si Girl Taho. Congratulations! Wow! So make sure to check out their fan page. If nandun na rin kayo guys, give them a hug, like giving them a like or follow so that we can be updated with some of their announcements. Anyway guys, if you like this video, I'm sure you did. I appreciate if you can have, any reactions. Give it a heart, a like, or a laugh. It's up to you guys. So thanks so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next video, I hope to see you there. Peace out. Bye-bye.